Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to Bilqalam's Master Arabic Sound, where you master every Arabic sound step by step. Today's sound is ba, like in the Arabic word Bayt. It's similar to the English be in the book, but in Arabic it's always clear and without extra put off air. To pronounce ba correctly, 1. Close your lips completely. 2. Build a little air pressure behind them. 3. Release the lips smoothly without adding a strong burst of air. Note here, keep your tongue relaxed and your voice on. Ba is a voice sound, so your vocal cords vibrate when you say it. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me. Short vowels, ba, bu, bi. Long vowels, be, bu, bi. Now let's practice ba in the real Arabic words. Bayt, that's the beginning position. Jabal, middle position. Kitab, ending position. Rtaqal, beginning position with dhamma. Here's a short sentence with ba. باب البيت كبير. Repeat with me, slow, the natural speed. باب البيت كبير. Now you've mastered the Arabic sound ba today, from syllables to words to a full sentence. Then practice daily, and the next lesson will unlock another sound, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.